Hey guys, this is citrus juicer. What I want to do is to show you how to use this stuff. Okay, we're going to blend this orange. So to use this, first of all, you need to charge this up and unplug it from the power. So take the orange, cut it in half. So once you cut it in half, put the orange face down, put the cover, slide it to the right to close it. If you want to open up the cover, you need to turn it to your left to open it. So to close this, you need to go to right, turn. To open it, go left and open. So now the next thing we need to do, we need to put this in a flat surface. Now to open this up, slide to the left, open, and see what the orange juice looks like. Then put the second one face down, slide to the right, press to start. I like to hold this up because of the glass I'm using. If you are using a flat glass, you need to make sure the glass you are using to be able to contain the juice that is coming out from the orange. So you need to make sure you put it very close so that the juice will go in, or else it will be on the unit. So but this is exactly how this works. So once you're done, to open it up, go to your left and open it up. So this works and it deserves your attention.